So hello guys, so now that Pokemon Home is already available, so let me um, tell you guys how you'll be able to transfer your Pokemon from other games such as Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee, and other um, all generation games of Pokemon. But right now, I only have the Pokemon Sword and the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. So with this, through my um, Nintendo Switch, I've already downloaded the Pokemon Home in it, and it's already installed. So, as you can see, I have here the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and the Pokemon Let's Go Sword. So, so right after you downloaded and installed the Pokemon Home on your Switch, you can open it. But by the way, guys, uh, Pokemon Home is also available in your mobile phones in iOS and in Android phones. So if you want, you can just download and install it there in your mobile phone. So, but right now, what I have here is the Switch, the Pokemon Home on Switch. For us to be, for us to start transferring Pokemon from one game to another, you have to open it. Okay, so I have my account. So here it goes. It's opening. So press any button to start. Okay, so we're logging in. So by the way, guys, right after you install your Pokemon Home in either your Switch or your what do you call this? Here, either in Switch or in mobile phones, you have option. You will be asked to log in or link your Nintendo account. So, kung ano yung ginagamit nyo dun sa inyong Switch na Nintendo account, yun yung kailangan nyo i-connect dito sa inyong Pokemon. So, right here, so as you can see, I've already, so, so if you want to transfer your Pokemons from other games, you just go here in the Pokemon section, or here you can deposit your Pokemon. And then you see dun sa account nyo ng Nintendo, madidetect niya kung ano yung mga available games mo. So ako nga, like what I've said earlier, I have Let's Go Pikachu and Let's Go Pikachu and Pokemon Sword. So from Pokemon Sword, okay, connect siya. Connect natin siya para makita niyo yung mga Pokemons ko. So dito sa right side, these are the Pokemon on my Let's Go Pikachu. And sa right side is the Pokemon available dun sa Pokemon home ko. So, the other day, nag-transfer ako ng ilang Pokemon from Pikachu. Let's Go Pikachu. As you can see, there's Pidgeotto. Yeah, I have Sidra, Staryu. And by the way, guys, if you register in Pokemon Home, the first time you logged in or register or install, you'll be given a free Pikachu, and you have an option to choose between Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur. So I've chosen Charmander, so they've given me a level 5 Charmander. So again, here is my Pokemons on Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Itong may mga bilog na to, like this one sa Pikachu, these are my main Pokemon dun sa game. So I have Pikachu, Butterfree, Pidgeot, Venusaur, sorry, and I have Blastoise and Charizard. So yung mga Pokemon ni Ash. So, okay. So let me transfer. So how am I going to transfer? Okay. Like for example, I wanted to transfer wait a minute. For example, I wanted to transfer Oddish. And by the way, guys, I'm using a basic plan, or I'm not using a premium plan for Pokemon Home, so I can only transfer 30 Pokemon. So if I wanted to transfer more than 30, I need to subscribe to their premium plan. para makapag-transfer ka ng around 6,000 Pokemon. Okay, so let's try to transfer Clefairy. So, move mo lang siya. Okay, ayan. But the thing here, guys, is some of the Pokemons are not transferable to Pokemon Sword and Shield. Like for instance, si Pidgeotto is not transferable, so hindi mo siya magka-transfer. Pero mata-transfer mo siya sa Pokemon Home. So, also, let's try to transfer Psyduck. Let me check if I have a Ghastly. But I have that's it. So, these are my Pokemon. Who else? Let's try to transfer Magmar. Okay. I've only a few Pokemon, no? So let's try to transfer Mewtwo. I'm not sure if Mewtwo is available for transfer. So okay, so right after that, you can quit by pressing the plus button. Save. But by the way, guys, you need to be connected to the internet for you to be able to access Pokemon Home. So the boxes has been saved. Then you can see here are the Pokemons that are transferred from Let's Go Pikachu to Home. Because later I will be transferring it to Sword. Okay. So I have here all the Pokemons. So then let's try to transfer um, this Pokemon to Sword. Okay, later. Okay, so open natin si Sword. Pokemon Sword. So as you can see, these are my Pokemon in Pokemon Sword. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Those who have the what we call the sign, parang, like for example sa Psyduck, you cannot transfer it to Pokemon Sword because it's not available in the game. So this, meron naman siyang clone, this Pokemon cannot be moved into this game. Sorry. Likewise, Pidgeotto cannot be transferred. Pidgeotto is one of my favorite Pokemon, but unfortunately, it's not transferable to Sword just yet. So, okay. Then let's try to transfer Mewtwo. Okay. So they said if I already transferred it, I can no longer move Mewtwo to Pokemon Let's Go. But it's okay. So let's also transfer Ghastly and Clefairy. So as you can see, guys, it's like what I've said. So this is box 30, right? So tagal. So as you can see, I have no Mewtwo dito. From box 1, 2, so these are only my Pokemon. By the way, this in the box 3, these are the Pokemons that I transferred a while ago, the other day, rather. So surprisingly, Ponyta, Cantonian Ponyta, and Rapidash is now available. I thought it's only the starter Pokemon. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's quit this by pressing the plus button. Then let's open my Pokemon Sword. So that's it. It's so easy. So again, if you wanted to transfer more than 30 Pokemon, you need to subscribe to Pokemon Home Premium. For the in the Philippines, I think that's around 244 pesos for um, 3 months, 100 plus for 1 month, and 799 for 12 months pesos. Yeah. Okay. So the boxes. Okay. Now let's open the sword. Okay, close natin yung game. Inyi. Let's see if here we go, guys. By the way, guys, I also have the game in my phone. So, okay, wait. Okay, so here we go. Let's open the Pokemon. So, so now Squirtle is available in Pokemon Sword, and even Rapidash and Ponyta. How nice is it, right? Okay, so let's check where is Mewtwo and the other guys. I think it's in 20 plus. There you go. Here you go. Sorry. Here's Mewtwo, guys. Level 70. It's from my Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. Okay, that's the summary. That's it. Okay. Let's try to transfer this Pokemon into my current Pokemons. So let's remove the Gyarados. I'll also use Ghastly. Then let's go battle. Where can I battle here? I don't think so. Where can I battle? No. Let's so sorry. I've yet to there you go, let's battle this one. Oh, here's me too, guys. Okay, I can fight it. Let's use Psychic. Okay, okay, that Mewtwo is from, again, from my Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. That's amazing. Then let's try Ghastly naman. Let's swap. Sorry, Snubble. Staffle, Snubble, it's a different thing. That's my Ghastly, guys. That's toxic. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's so easy, right? So anyway, guys, it's super easy. As like what I've said earlier, I also have the Pokemon Home on my phone. Right now, it's in my iPhone, and I also have it in my Android phone. So there you go. Can you guys see it? So that's it. So let's check the Pokemon here. Kita niyo siya. Pag here at the mobile version, we can check out the other informations of each Pokemon. Like for example, here's Pidgeotto. I can check out his other moves and Pokédex entries and other games. It's amazing. Yes. So that's it, guys, and that's it for today. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. That's Inyi Yruma. Thank you very much. And let's all play Pokemon. You can watch my um, live stream on my Facebook page. Just follow me there. That's facebook.com/Inyi Yruma. Thank you very much again, guys. Pokemon.